Friends, today we are going to use Harmony soap and we will show you how to hand wash, especially in this COVID situation, and its benefits also we will show you. Okay, so we will start with hand washing. Okay, now we will use Harmony soap. Yes, we can see, look how the soap is really good, and while doing this itself we can feel that smell also, strawberry smells. I have purchased strawberry soap. Look, really it's good. Now we will start to hand wash properly. Look, first we have to do like this, and for safety precaution, as you know, in COVID we have to hand or wash very properly. Okay, now we will wash hand out with the water properly. That soap ingredients have to go everywhere. Now our process is over, and now we can use a dry towel, a clean towel properly. So we have seen how we can use the Harmony soap at this critical situation of COVID. Thank you.